to the family. Turn on the light, huh? It's okay. Man, that needs cleaned off. It's got some dirty doo-doos on it. Now he told me they're clipped. None of my birds are clipped. None of my birds are clipped. So they shouldn't be able to go too far. I don't know if they can't fly at all or what, but we're going to find out. I'm going to let them come out on their own. Don't want to scare them. He says she's friendly and he's a little skittish. Hey baby, hi. Can you come here? It's okay. And they're flying and falling. So that went well. You gonna step up? You can fly. Come here, baby. Aw, look. She's a sweetheart. Can we sit down? You wanna sit here? Look. Can we sit here? Let's move this, okay? You're gonna have to, okay, I'm gonna flip the camera around so that I can, hold on a second, flip camera, come here buddy, come here. Ezra's changing to you. I don't want you to poop on her, okay? We should turn this so you can see. He's trying to fly, but he's clipped. Look at her. And then there she goes. Seriously? Hold on, let me go get him. No biting. No biting. Okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. Look at her tail feathers. They have a green tint. Do you see that? They have a green tint to them. Pretty. Pretty girl. You gotta go get your crazy boyfriend, okay? Go get him with me? She's sweet. Can you step up? Can you step up? Normally once they're on you, they don't want to step up. No biting. No. 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 Quakers bites hurt bad. In my opinion, they hurt a lot worse than some kind of bite. Their beaks are sharp. Don't dare bite. Bite me. You have to be a good girl. They were tame when he got them, but he didn't keep them tame. So I got a little work to do. Caught in my hair. drew blood on my fingers. I'm gonna go get ahead and see what he does. Come here, baby. Come here. Why don't you sit there? Sit there and play for a minute. Here, mister. Come out. Bite me, you're gonna regret it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
I sit with you. Okay. Okay.
Look at you ruffling those feathers. He said, I can do it too. Pretty bird. Hi. Can't believe you bit me. That's not okay. You're not allowed to do that. I know you're scared, but it's okay. You're safe. Nobody's gonna hurt you. There's nothing to be afraid of. Okay? Nothing to be afraid of. It's scary coming to a new place, isn't it? Say hi. 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 Quakers are good talkers. Say hi. She's really ruffling up. That can either mean that they're angry or that they're really excited, one or the other, or scared. So they do it when they're happy and when they're mad and when they're excited. Aww. I wish the lighting was a little better. I think they're afraid of the tripod. What are we gonna call you? You know, Malachi wanted a green Quaker so bad, and we have one, and you gotta be nice. Your previous owner said you were all skittish, that you were rough around the edges, but once you get a hold of you, that you're okay. So you're not gonna bully me, okay? You're not gonna bully me.
You. You're a lot smaller than I am, if you haven't noticed, okay?
Oh wait, I have comments. I need to get my glasses and read them. Hold on a minute, let me get my glasses real quick. Oh, they're right here. The other birds are gonna be jealous. Okay. What's the word, bird?
No, I'm not talking to
Right now. People keep trying to people that aren't in my life keep trying to you know what I mean. Hi. Hi. Can I pet you? Look at him run off. It's okay. It's okay. He's like, I'll see what she does to her, and then maybe I'll think about it. She didn't fly off though. Okay. Oh, he did. You gonna fly on my head? No? Pretty girl. Pretty girl.
You're so soft. So pretty. What are we gonna name you? Guys, we have to name them both.
They don't have names. We called them girl bird and boy bird. Girl and boy. You're so... No. Nice. Nice. Birds love attention. They're like kids. But, if you... That's why a lot of people have a hard time with birds, because if you neglect them and don't give them attention, they get mean. Real mean. So you have to make sure that you're always giving them attention. Lots of attention. That's why a lot of people get birds and then rehome them, because their birds get real mean because they don't spend the time they're supposed to with their birds. Right? Tell them. Like that guy over there. Thinks he's boss. He's gonna learn who's boss. I'm the boss. Come here. What if I get you a treat? Will you come for a treat? Where is he going? What's he doing? Can you help me get him? Can you tell him it's okay? Scary being in a new house. But Jerry, no. Sun conures love it when you... She didn't like that. It's okay. Too soon to give you a neck rub? Okay. Where are you going? Tell him to come back here. No, it's okay. It's funny because they can't really... They can fly, but they can't really fly. They don't make it very far. Hold on, I'm gonna grab him. I'm gonna try to. I don't clip birds, but it's probably good that they're clipped a little, just long enough for me to tame them, especially him. And he flew off. Come here, mister. It's your turn. It's your turn. I got him on my back. Oh, I had him for a second. Darn it. I can tell she's scared. Don't poop on his bassinet, okay? Don't you even think about it. Come here, mister. I almost picked him up. Good girl. You can be a good girl. Now step up. Nice. Nice nibbles. See, Squeakers will nibble on me, but he never latches. He never bites me. She bit me. Now step up. Now step up. No. No. My fingers aren't food. Step up. Step up. Can you step up? Step up. I'm not offering my finger as food. I'm offering to step up. Can you step up? Step up. That's the most basic. You should know how to step up. You don't know how to step up? Step up. No biting. I mean, she really got a hold of me good too. Step up. Step up, baby. Do you hear those other birds? Does that make you nervous? Yeah? Look, step up. This is step up. Got it? Step up. There you go. You did it. Good girl. Whoa, look how pretty you are. Look how pretty you are. Not on the baby's bassinet, guys. I'm gonna put you in your little house. You can't cooperate. Hi, mister. Hi, mister. Almost had you. Hi. No. He is biting the crap out of me. Hey! Hey! No! Wow! He just bit me and bit me and bit me. Oh. I have a lot of work to do. That hurt. I don't know why I'm not bleeding. Gosh. You're not very nice. Of course, she's nice, he's mean. He's not mean, he's just, God only knows what's going on with him. Why is he so mean? What happened? Did somebody scare him? Nope, can't eat my ring. Nope. 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 See, Quakers' beaks are like extremely thin and sharp. So like sun conures' beaks look huge and vicious, but they're not. They're a lot thicker. So if they bite you and actually latch down, it feels like a pinch. If Quakers bite you, it feels like somebody's shoving a knife into you. You know what I mean? Because they're that sharp. They're that thin and that sharp. Quaker bites are terrible. Sun conure bites, they don't draw blood. Even though their beaks look ginormous. They look big and intimidating, but they're not. These beaks, they're nasty. They hurt. They hurt. It's because they're shredders, and out in the wild they build nests out of like anything and everything, so their beaks are really sharp so they can shred everything. But as a bird owner, now my first Quaker was named Polly. She was blue, and I got her at 5 weeks, and she never ever ever bit me ever. But she was a hand-fed baby. But she had a disease. Within a week of having her legs started to break, and they took her to the vet, spent thousands of dollars. They said that she had a genetic bone disease that causes your bones to just be extremely brittle, fracture, and break. So like, she would just be sitting there and her leg would break and her foot would break and she had so many breaks. He took x-rays and it was unbelievable. Anyway, so she couldn't walk and she couldn't fly because she had no feet to land. She'd never been clipped, but she couldn't fly. because if she flew, she would just fall and break another bone. But, and I could never get her to stop being hand-fed because she couldn't walk to her food. So I hand-fed her whole life, but she died. We woke up one day and she was gone. It was awful. I mean, she was happy and sweet, but she had to have been in pain, you know? She had to have been in pain. And it was terrible because I bought that bird in memory of my mom. Named her Polly. My mom's name is Paulette. But I love Quakers. They're great, but their bites hurt. And when they start getting like the way he's acting, if I don't get it under control soon, he'll never be nice. Ever. So I gotta work on him now. So if they bite one of the kids, you're in trouble. Because they will really hurt the kids. Their bites. You better never bite my babies, you hear me? You hear me? You're okay. It's okay, I'm sorry. But I mean, normally, like I said, Polly, she was hand-fed, hand-tamed. She never, ever, ever once bit. And I mean, she didn't die at 5 weeks. She lived for months before she passed away. She never once bit anyone. Ever. Never. So you biting is not okay. And you're still sweet though. You let me pet your head, that's good. Uh-oh, the screen door's flying around. Try to zoom in on the feet so you can see what I mean about how sharp they are. They're really thin. really sharp. See that? I should get Squeakers out and show you his beak, which looks so much more vicious, but it's not. Let me go get Squeakers, see what he thinks of these guys. This is Squeakers. He's still a baby. How old are you, Squeakers? What month did we get you? You see how much bigger his beak looks? He's not fully grown, but see how big and sharp that beak looks? It's not. Hi. What's your name? He talks. What's your name? Who are you? Who are you? What's your name? Say, I Squeaker. He says, I Squeaker. What's your name? Huh? Hi? He said hi. He said it. Did you hear it? I Squeaker. What's your name? Who? Who are you? I didn't hear you. Say it again. Huh? What? Who's that bird? Who's that? You see the birdie? Who are you? Tell me. Tell me. Who are you? Show everybody how smart you are. Normally sun conures don't talk, but he talks. What's your name? Go ahead. Go ahead. Do it. Talk. Squeaker. 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 Say it. Squeaker. Every time I start talking, he'll start. What? What did you say? Tell us your name. Can I have kisses? Kisses? Come here. Come here. Once he gets on my shoulder. Yeah, you're Squeaker. Come here. Come here. See, he'll never bite, ever. Come here. Squeaker. Tell me what's your name. What's your name? Do you see those birds? Better not get me a baby. I'm gonna go get the baby and bring the baby over here. Come here, Squeakers. Come here. He never wants to get down. He wants to stay on my back. Squeakers, come here. Show everybody how sweet you are. No? Please? Please? Come here. Come here. Squeakers. We have new friends. Do you want to meet them? Do you think they'll like you? No, you don't. Squeakers, talk to me. Oh my gosh, it's 2:40. Where did the day go? We have to get ready to go get the kids. Charlie's jealous because I have Squeakers in that bed. But that little guy is gonna have to let me pick him up without biting me. Will you help me, Squeakers? Will you protect me against that big bad bird? Yeah, baby's waking up. I gotta get ready to go get the kids. Wish me luck with these Quakers. Is that a ring neck? This is a sun conure. Alright. I'll talk to you guys later.